ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेद शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक। Which Brahmana is going on? Ushasya Chakrayana. Brahmana before this was Ujjiva. Tika. So Bhartru Prapancha Mata. What was Bhartru Prapancha Mata? Drishtehe Drashtaram na Pashyehe. Such Vakya is there. In that Drashtehe Shashti is there of Drishti. According to Bhartru Prapancha Mata, this Drishti is not needed because they translated Drishtehe Drashtaram as Kartaram. So one pada is not needed according to them. So Siddhanti said, Bhashyakara explained in Bhashya that Patha is not Pramada Patha, Sarvesham Aviganat, that all the Khandva Shakha, Madhyani Shakha and elsewhere also similar Patha is there. Therefore it is Vyakhyatranam Buddhi Daurbalyam, no Adhyatu Pramada. Now see Tika, second paragraph, page number 787. Katham punar bhavatam api drisher virupadanam upadanam upapadyate tatra aha. Now somebody is asking, okay, you have shown the defect in the Bhartru Prapancha Matam. In your matam, how that drishte drashtaram, so two drishe dvi upadanam. Drisher virupadanam. So two drishte drashtaram. So why, according to you, how these two are justified? Katham upapadyate tatra aha. Now he explains. Yatha tu asmabhir vyakyatam लौकिक दृष्टेर विविच्य नित्य दृष्टि विशिष्ट आत्मा प्रदर्शयितव्यस तथा यथा तु अस्माभिर व्याख्यातम. अस्माभिः मीन्स वेदांतिभिः व्याख्यातम लौकिक दृष्टेर विविच्य नित्य दृष्टि विशिष्ट आत्मा प्रदर्शयितव्यस. लौकिक दृष्टे है विविच्य. व्हाट इज द विभक्ति?
पंचमी.
पंचमी विभक्ति. लौकिक दृष्टे है विविच्य. फ्रॉम लौकिक दृष्टि वी हैव टू सेपरेट. व्हाट डू वी हैव टू सेपरेट? नित्य दृष्टि विशिष्ट आत्मा. सो लौकिक दृष्टि, from that we have to separate nitya drashti first, and then that nitya drashti vishishta atma pradarshayitavya. So earlier two drashtis were given. What are the two drashtis? Laukika and paramarthika drashti. Earlier this came laukika drashti, paramarth. So
पारमार्थिक.
laukika drashter vivichya nitya drashti tad vishishta atma. Tad Vishishta Atma is only a Gauna Prayoga, because Nitya Drishti is Atma actually. But here, Tad Vishishta Atma, 5 number Tippani is C, Swarupa. नित्य दृष्टि itself is the स्वरूप. नित्य दृष्टि एव स्वरूपम यस्य आत्मनः. सच आत्मा प्रदर्शयितव्यः. तथा कर्तृकर्म विशेषणत्वेन दृष्टि शब्दस्य द्विः प्रयोग उपपद्यते. And therefore one is karta of darshana, another is karma of darshan.
Karma.
Darshan kriya will have karta and karma. Therefore drishti shabdasya dvihi prayoga upapadyate. Thus किम प्रयोजनाय आत्मस्वरूप निर्धारणाय. So what is the prayojanam of these two drishti or two drishti prayoga? Atmaswarupa nirdharana. This part they missed. Kartru prapancha. Many times when we do our chintanam, what is exact meaning given there? If we don't get that, and if we get some approximate meaning or partial meaning, it is like this Bhartara Prapancha Mata. We will become either Purva Paksha or Ekadeshi. That's why these Nyaya Granthas that we study, they are for this purpose only. That precisely we take the Lakshana and we don't miss out on what is intended there. That is what Bhashyakara is explaining here. It's not that they didn't take something else. They took something, Bhartara Prapancha. But they missed out that Laukika Drishti we have to eliminate. This they didn't get. And that's why then if someone understands, I have attained Brahma Jnanam or I have understood, that understanding will have all these mistakes or weaknesses. Tika. Kartru karma visheshanattvena sakshi sakshya samarpakatvena iti yavat. Kartru karma visheshanattvena was given in Bhashya. Bhashyakar, Tikakar explains it as sakshi sakshya samarpakatvena. Karta of drishi kriya will be sakshi and karma of drishi kriya will be sakshya. How? So we have seen this before, but just understand once. Pay attention here. This is drishi kriya. Drishi kriya means drishtehe. That is this. Drishtehe drashtaram. Drishti means pramata jnanam. Pramata jnanam will be of hatapatadi vishaya. Hatapatadi jnanam is called drishti. Its drashta is sakshi. For sakshi, this is sakshya. This is also sakshya. But here the viveka is only between these two right now. So viveka between sakshi and pramata. Viveka of pramata and ghata, you don't have to study Vedanta. A child also knows that. So when we say Atma and Atma Viveka means this is what they are talking about mainly. This Viveka Samarthya, Sakshi and Pramata. So in elsewhere also we have seen this. In Mandukya etc. also this comes in Chaturtha Adhyaya, that you have Drashta, you have mind, and you have Bahya Vishaya. Bahya Vishaya, external objects like that. So, idea is from this Brahadaranyaka. So, Sakshi Sakshya Samarpakatvena iti yavat. Tat Samarpanam api kutra upayujyate tatraha. Where is this Samarpanam कुत्र उपयुज्यते means where is its upayoga, where is its use. So where is it useful? Atma Swarupa Nirdharana. Atma Swarupa Nirdharana means it is this alone and nothing else. Such Nirnaya I should be able to do. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षी आत्मा न तद विषय इति तत् स्वरूप निश्चयार्थम साक्ष्यादि समर्पणम इत्यर्थः. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षी आत्मा, दिस इज दृष्टि. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षी इज आत्मा. न तद विषय, दृष्टि विषय विल बी, और यू सी दिस घटपटादि, they are दृष्टि विषय, they are external, whereas atma is दृष्ट्यादि साक्षी. न तद विषय इति तत् दिस स्वरूप निश्चय we have to do. For that साक्ष्यादि समर्पणम इत्यर्थः. आत्मा नित्य दृष्टि स्वभावो न दृश्याया दृष्टेर विषय. Atma is nitya drishti swabhav. See, now earlier he said nitya drishti vishishta atma, but in tika it is cleared atma is nitya drishti swabhav itself. Atma is nitya drishti swabhav. न दृश्यायाः दृष्टेर विषय. दृश्यायाः, दृश्य की दृष्टि, दृश्यायाः दृष्टेः विषय न, बिकॉज दृश्यायाः दृष्टेर विषय घटादि. घटपट will become दृश्यायाः दृष्टेः. This दृष्टि which is दृश्य, correct, its विषय is बाह्य जगत. So दृश्यायाः दृष्टेः means it is दृश्य for this drashta, साक्षी. दृश्यायाः दृष्टेः विषयः घटादौ न अघटादि न आत्मा इति एषः चेत् न दृष्टेर इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अर्थः, दिस इज द अर्थ ऑफ दृष्टेः. न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारं पश्येः. तदा नहि इत्यादिना अस्य एकवाक्यत्वं सिद्ध्यति. Then it will have ekavakyatvam. Who will say this? Online.
Prapancha.
Who will say this?
Bhattru Prapancha.
This is Siddhanti.
Siddhanti.
This is Siddhanti. Atma, see what Siddhanti is saying. This is Siddhanti Vakya. Atma is Nitya Drashti Swabhava, na Drishyaya Drishte Vishaya. Correct? This is Siddhanti Vakya. If you say this, means if you accept this, if Purva Pakshi, you accept this, what we are saying, then na drishter ityadi vakyasya artha. This is the artha of this vakya. Na drishter drashtaram pashye. Then you will have one more evidence to prove that this is the real understanding. What is that? Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate. This vakya will come later. With that mantra, and this mantra will have ekavakyatvam. See, tada nahi ityadina asya ekavakyatvam siddhyati. Nahi drashtur drashter ityadina asya nahi drashter drashtaram pashyehe. It's ekavakyatvam. Means ekavakyatvam means they have one meaning. According to Mimamsaka, ekavakyatvam means they have one meaning. So whatever Purva Mimamsaka say ekavakyatvam, that meaning of ekavakyatvam we accept. They have same meaning. So now you see, nahi drashter drashtaram pashyehe is there in 3.4.2. Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate is there in 4.3.23. Correct? 7 number tippani. But they have ekavakyatva. So what is the meaning of ekavakya? Ekavakya does not mean ekating vakyam. They have only one thing termination, that they are next to each other. Ekavakya means one artha. One is somewhere, another is somewhere. But they have one meaning, they have ekavakyata. So this is how they do Mimamsa. What is the meaning of this vakya here? You don't give the meaning here just by looking at that mantra and say, I have understood. You see the entire Prasthanatraya. And wherever such similar things are given, what is the meaning from there? All of them, if they agree with that in line, you give the meaning of this mantra. एकवाक्यत्वं सिद्ध्यति तस्मात् यथोक्तार्थत्वम् एव न दृष्टेर इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अर्थः. Therefore, the meaning that we have given, that alone is the meaning of na drishter drashtaram pashyehe. Then only there is ekavakyata. In Bhashya, nahi drashtur drashter iti cha pradeshantar vakyena ekavakyata upapanna bhavati. If we do this meaning, then pradeshantar vakyena ekavakyata upapanna bhavati. Then any remote sentence also within the Upanishad will have the same meaning. It will not have some different meaning suddenly. Okay. So I hope this point is clear. Right? I have explained, but you think about this again. Further now. Not only in this Upanishad, in Vajasaneya, Talavakar Shakha also, he says, will have aviganam. Atma kutastha drishti riti atra Talavakar Shrutim samvadayati. Atma is kutastha drishti. In this context, Talavakar Shruti. Talavakar Shruti, Atma is kutastha drishti. In this context, Talavakar Shruti. Talavakar Shruti Kena Upanishad. तथा च चक्षुंषि पश्यति श्रोत्रमिदं श्रुतम इति श्रुत्यंतरेण एकवाक्यता उपपन्ना. So not only ekavakyata within the Shruti, Shrutyantarena api ekavakyata. So this is the Vishaya of actually Brahma Sutra. That when they do one Vakya Artha, not only that Vakya you have to see. If elsewhere there is some Virodha, then they will say, this is not how we will understand this Vakya.
Swamiji, audio is breaking, Swamiji.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes? Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
So the ekavakyata with the Talavakar Shakha, two mantras are quoted.
It's breaking, Swamiji.
This is all you will have. Chakshumshi pashyati. Chakshumshi pashyati. Yat chakshusha na pashyati yena chakshumshi pashyati. Tadeva brahma tvam vidhi. So, that by which, that which is not seen by chakshu, chakshusha na pashyati. येन चक्षुंषि पश्यति. येन चक्षुंषि पश्यति, what is the meaning?
By which the eyes.
Hmm?
The one who watches the chakshu.
येन चक्षुंषि पश्यति. Yena means that by which. Chakshumshi. What is chakshumshi? Means all the chakshus, all the eyes are able to see because of that. Because of what? Atma. So Atma is that which illumines all chakshu, because of which all the eyes are able to see. Means they are able to do their function. So Atma is the illuminator of them. Yena chakshumshi pashyati. In the same way, shrotramidam shrutam. Na shrotrena यशृणोति येन श्रोत्रमिदं श्रुतम् इति. सीटीका तस्य कूटस्थ दृष्टित्रम् आह. So श्रुत्यंतरेण एक वाक्यता is shown. Now further, Atma has kutastha drishti. What is the other hetu? Nyayacha, yukti is also there. Tameva nyayam vishadayati. What is the nyaya? Evam eva हि आत्मनो नित्यत्वम उपपद्यते. विक्रिया भावे comma. After that you put comma. So the vakya is अन्वय. You have to do this way. विक्रिया भावे हि आत्मनो नित्यत्वम उपपद्यते. Then विक्रियावच्च is next vakya. विक्रियावच्च नित्यम इति विप्रतिषिद्धम. That which is vikriyavan also and nitya also is contradictory, is not possible. Vipratishiddham. So this is vipakshe doshamaha. Vipaksha says it is karta. Karta means it is vikriyavan. Siddhanti said it is drashta separated from laukika drishti. The one which has laukika drishti is vikari. That which is excluding laukika drishti is not vikari. Then only Atma can become nitya. So vikriya abhave atmano nityatvam upapadyate. This is yukti. Vikriyavan and nitya is vipratishiddha. Tika further. Itascha atmano nasti vikriyavatvam ityaha. For this reason also atmano vikriyavatvam nasti. Dhyayativa. So this is the fourth hetu. First he said there is ekavakyata with which one?
नहि दृष्टेः दृष्टा.
Nahi drashtur drashter viparilok. No, that is this one. Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate, which actually he is quoting again. Then second was with Talavakara Shakha. Then third was this Nyaya, Yukti, that Vikriyavan cannot be Nitya. Now he says, Itasya Atmano Nasti Vikriyavatva. Now he gives Hetu for Avikaritva of Atma. Why? Because Dhyayati Iva. So Dhyayati, Lelayati, they are only Iva in Atma. Means they are not Vastavika, Upadhika. Samatra. Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate. This Shruti see what this Shruti says. Means we have seen in Anubhuti Prakasha and then later it will come. Drashtuhu drashtehe viparilopo na vidyate. In Hindi, if I say, दृष्टा की दृष्टि का लोप नहीं होता. दृष्टि के दृष्टा को आप नहीं देख सकते. So what is the difference? Here both are in षष्ठी only. द्रष्टुः दृष्टे है, both are षष्ठी. दृष्टे है द्रष्टारम, so दृष्टे है देर दृष्टि. But their दृष्टि का दृष्टा means in the current context it is drashti's drashta. Here it is drashta's drashti. In drashtuhu drashtehe. Who is the drashta?
Drashtu.
Online students.
Sakshi.
No. Who is?
Drashtu ho Swami.
Pramata. Pramata is drashta here.
No, but who is drashta?
Atma is drashta.
Atma.
No, here drashta is sakshi. Atma. Drashtur drashte vipariloko na vidyate in Atma. And Atma's drashti. What will be Atma's drashti?
Pramata.
Means it is Atma only, but when they use the word Atma's drashti, what is Atma's drashti? What is drashtuhu drashti?
Jnanam.
Swarupa. Means the ability, jnanam. Atma, which is jnana swarupa, its jnanam will not have lopa at any time, even in sushupti, even in pralaya. Atma will remain jnana swarupa. That is this quotation. And our current mantra says, drashtehe drashtaram na pashyehe. So there, who is the drashta? Atma. Drashta of this drishti. So drashta of the drishti. And drishti shabda in nahi drashti पारमार्थिक दृष्टि and द्रष्टारम न पश्ये है that be गति. Hopefully things will become clear. 2-3 times this way, that way we hear, then things become a little bit clear. Otherwise, this doesn't become clear. Dhyayati va lelayati va, otherwise, pathati iva. Adhyanam karoti iva. Bas. Shrunomi iva. Esha nityo mahima brahmanasya. Navardate karmana no kaniyan. That is the mantra. Esha nityo mahima brahmanasya. Here brahmana means Brahma. Brahmana, instead of saying Brahmana, is Shruti says Brahmanasya. What is the mahima of Brahma? That it is Nitya. This is the Nitya. And other mahima is karma navardate. You do great karma, Brahma doesn't become big. Means Atma doesn't get affected by karma. No kaniyan. Iti cha shrutyaksharaणि anyatha na gacchanti. Shruti aksharas means the meaning of these mantras. Anyatha na gacchanti. This is the only way you will understand it. Tika. Anyatha means what? Anyatha vikriyavatve sati iti yavat. If Atma is vikriyavan, then how will you explain these mantras? This is the question Siddhanti has raised. Because here Atma is Nitya. By saying Dhyanam or Chalanam, they are all Eva only in Atma. when we study this, how we study, you know, because we have already studied so many Prakarana, then we are studying this, right? But when Bhagavan Bhashyakar was writing Bhashya, he didn't expect that these people have Prakarana Granthas probably were not already written. They were written later, some of them. And in Shastrartha, they have not studied so many Prakarana Granthas. So a person who does not have the knowledge of all these details, and Acharya has to communicate it very clearly to all those people. That's why he's putting forth so much effort so that person doesn't misunderstand. Some of us, we may say, "Oh, I already understood what is Atma, what is it." Further you see tika. Avikriyatvepi shrutyakshani anupapannani iti shankati. Okay, Atma is avikari. Still, shruti aksharani anupapannani. Because there is something else also in that. What is that? Nanu drashta shrota manta vijnana. Adi, because drashtaram, na drishter drashtaram pashyehe, na shruter shrotaram pashyehe, na mater mantaram manviyaha, manvithaha, na vijnatere vijnataram vijaniyaha. So, drashtaram, shrotaram, mantaram, vijnataram, these words, they are in Dvitiya. What is their Prathama? Drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata, these words are used for Vikari. Pratyanta Rupa. So, you explained only one part, Drishti, that Laukika Paramat. But this also you will have to explain. Nanu drashta shrota manta vijnata iti evam adini api aksharani atmano avikriyatve na gachanti. Atma is avikari, then these words will not fit in there. They will be inappropriate. Na gachanti. Na upapadyante. Tika. Everybody understood what is this objection?
Yes, Swami.
Yes?
No.
Online?
No, Swamiji. Can you explain again?
No.
No.
In the mantra, this current mantra. Now we come back to current mantra. Nahi drashter drashtaram pashyehe, nahi shruter shrotaram shunuyaha, nahi mater mantaram manvithaha. Like that, things are given. So there drashtaram, shrotaram, mantaram, such words are used. Drashtaram, shrotaram, they are dvitiya vibhakti. Means their prathama will be drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata, these words are used for vikari vastu. So if you say drashtaram, shrotaram, these words are used for atma, and you say that atma is avikari, to explain these shabdas. Now is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Everybody else?
Yes, Swamiji.
न तेषां विरोधो दृष्टम दृष्ट्यादि कर्तृत्वम अनुसृत्य प्रवृत्ते लौकिके वाक्ये तदर्थानुवादित्वात् उक्त श्रुत्यक्षराणां स्वार्थे प्रामाण्याभावात् इति परिहरति. न तेषां विरोधो दृष्टम. In them there is no virodha. Why? दृष्ट्यादि कर्तृत्वम अनुसृत्य. दृष्ट्यादि कर्तृत्व which is there in loka, common person says, I am ghata drashta, I am shabda shrota, I am vritti manta, ityadi. So I am drashta, shrota, manta. They use these words for pramata. But their understanding is that I am knower of all these. That anubhava, laukika anubhava is used and its anuvad is done when Shruti uses the word drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata for Atma. But the difference between this is that the drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata of laukika drishti is vikari. Alaukika drishti is avikari. So it is कर्तृत्वम अनुसृत्य प्रवृत्ते लौकिके वाक्य तद अर्थ अनुवादित्वात्. इट इज ओनली अनुवाद ऑफ द लौकिक वाक्य. उक्त श्रुत्यक्षराणाम स्वार्थे प्रामाण्य अभावात्. दे डोंट हैव स्वार्थे प्रामाण्य. मीन्स आत्मा इज रियली नॉट द्रष्टा एज विकारी. आत्मा इज नॉट रियली श्रोता. आत्मा इज नॉट रियली मंता. इति परिहरति न इत्यादिना. न यथा प्राप्त लौकिक वाक्य अनुवादित्वात् तेषां. यथा प्राप्त लौकिक वाक्य इट्स अनुवाद इज डन बाय दी शब्दस. अनुवाद वाक्य इज नेवर प्रमाण. टीका न दृष्टेर इत्यादिनी अपि तर्हि श्रुत्यक्षराणि न स्वार्थे प्रमाणानि. पूर्व पक्ष से द्रष्टारम श्रोतारम दिस इज नॉट स्वार्थे प्रमाणम. Entire Vakya is not Swarthe Pramanam. Na drashtir drashtaram. Whole thing you have to throw. What do they say? They be with the bath water. You throw that part also. Na drashtir iti. In Bhashya. Na Atma Tattva Nirdharanarthani Tani. Tani Vakyani. No. Tani Shabdani. द्रष्टा श्रोता मंता तानि अक्षराणि न आत्मतत्व निर्धारणार्थानि. टीका अन्यो अर्थो दृष्टियादि कर्ता. अन्य अर्थ इस दृष्टियादि कर्ता. यथोक्त अर्थो दृष्टियादि साक्षी. इन भाष्य न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारम इति एवं आदिनाम अन्यार्थ असंभवात. अन्यार्थ मीन्स दृष्टियादि कर्ता. आत्मा कैन नॉट बी कर्ता ऑफ दर्शनम. आत्मा विल बी साक्षी ऑफ दर्शनम. दृष्टियादि साक्षी न दृष्टियादि कर्ता. सो अन्यार्थ मीन्स दृष्टियादि कर्ता. यथोक्तार्थ इज दृष्टियादि साक्षी. अन्यार्थ असंभवात यथोक्तार्थ परत्वम अवगम्यते. What is said by us, that alone is true. द्रष्टृपदस्य साक्षी विषयत्वे सिद्धे दृष्टेरिति साक्ष्य समर्पणात् तदर्थवत्व उपपत्तिरिति उपसंहरति. द्रष्टृपदस्य साक्षी विषयत्वे सिद्धे. द्रष्टुपद इज साक्षी विषयत्व सिद्ध. दृष्टेरिति साक्ष्य समर्पणात्. द्रष्टुपद इज साक्षी. दृष्टिपद इज फॉर साक्ष्य. तदर्थवत्व उपपत्ति ही. एंड देयरफॉर उपपत्ति इज पॉसिबल. उपपत्ति ही इति उपसंहरति. तस्मात् अनवबोधादेव ही विशेषणं परित्यक्तम् दृष्टेः इति. अनवबोधात्, because of lack of clear knowledge, that दृष्टेः विशेषणं परित्यक्तम्. केन? भर्तृप्रपञ्चादिना. पक्षांतरम निराकृत्य स्वपक्षम उपपाद्य अनंतरम वाक्यम विभजते. सो नाउ पक्षांतर निराकरणम इज डन. स्वपक्षम उपपाद्य. स्वपक्ष उपादानम वाज डन फर्स्ट. देन पक्षांतरम निराकरणम. नाउ रिमेनिंग वाक्य ऑफ द मंत्र ही हैज टू एक्सप्लेन. येषते तव आत्मा सर्वैर उक्तैर विशेषणैः विशिष्ट. दिस इज योर आत्मा given by all these visheshanas. Visheshanaihi vishishta. Anyadartam iti visheshana samarthya siddham. Ato इन भाष्य अतः एतस्माद् अन्यत् कृतं कार्यं वा शरीरम करणात्मकं वा लिंगम. Other than his atma, all the karya, karna, like sukshma sharira, everything is artam, vinashi. Artam 1 number tippani is on what in your book? Artam 1 number tippani should be on artam, because artam means vinashi. एतदेव एकम अनार्तम अविनाशी कूटस्थम. This atma alone is anartam avinashi kutastham. Everything else is artam. Whether now you see karya, whenever they say karya karana kartrutve hetu prakriti ruchyate. What is the meaning of karya? Shariram. Shariram means sthula sharira. Karana means sukshma sharira. So remember that. Karyam va. If they say karya karana, then karyam will be sthula sukshma both, and karana will be karana sharira. Like that vibhaga is that. When Ushashtha Chakrayana heard this, tatoha Ushashtha Chakrayana upararama, he withdrew. Iti Brahadaranyaka Upanishad Bhashya Trityaadhyaye Chaturtham Brahmana. Chaturtha Brahmana is over. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.